This is the lobby elevator at 501 East Kennedy in Tampa, Florida. Used to be a Haughton that got modernized by Schindler. We are at 4G. Looks like this is a parking level. Let's go to 1. Lobby not 1. 2,000-pound capacity. The panel's open. Inspection certificate. The indicator lags. Interesting shape for an elevator cab. It's like a pentagon, kind of like a house shape. Kind of reminds me of the one at Hotel Ithaca. Let's go for one more ride. The lobby, the building's main lobby is right there. Filming this around Christmas time, so there's a Christmas tree. They replaced the interlock too. It's a newer GAL. There's another look at the atrium, and let's end the video back at the lobby. I think I already showed you the certificate, but there it is again if I haven't already. That's where the old call button was. And there's another look at the elevator from behind. And that'll be it.